If you're currently considering the purchase of an off-grid or backup power system for your home, business, or mobile application, and are researching which products will best meet your needs, we would like to offer one piece of advice that can help you make a confident, well-informed decision. Drawing on nearly 30 years of experience in the renewable energy industry, this is one of the most important recommendations we can share. When evaluating product recommendations on YouTube, exercise caution with videos centered around unboxings, quick reviews, teardowns, or basic installation walkthroughs. While these videos may be entertaining or helpful for seeing a product out of the box, they rarely provide meaningful insight into long-term reliability, engineering quality, or real-world performance. Instead, we strongly recommend conducting thorough due diligence on any brand or model of solar system component you are considering. One simple and highly effective step is to search for documented consumer complaints. For example, enter the product's model name followed by the word complaints into Google's search bar. This quick search can reveal a consolidated view of real-world user experiences, as Google aggregates feedback and reports from a wide range of credible sources across the internet. Reviewing this information can provide valuable insight into product reliability, recurring performance issues, and long-term customer satisfaction, helping you make a far more informed purchasing decision before investing in your system. Whether you're powering a full-blown off-grid metal concert in the middle of nowhere, lights blazing, amps screaming, or holding the line at home when the grid goes dark and the storm starts raging, DIYsolar.com delivers relentless power, unshakable reliability, built for the extremes, with the lowest prices, the best gear on the market, and service that never quits.
You want power that hits like a train, not some weak link that can't take the strain. We bring the heat, we bring the drive, flip that switch, feel it come alive. No more waiting on a broken line, cut it loose, this power's mine. Best price, no compromise, built to run, built to survive. Crank it up, set it free, DIY solar energy. No grid, no chains tonight, just raw power done right. DIYsolar.com. Turn it on and let it ride.
We use only the finest inverters, switchgear, and batteries in our DIY battery backup systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to failure caused by lightning strikes and high inrush current exposure than the cheap high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency iron core transformer-based inverters, built on a proven American design, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way low-cost transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, top-name brand EVE Energy LFP cells in its batteries. When it comes to lithium battery cells, EVE Energy is one of the most trusted names in the world. Founded in 2001, EVE has grown into a global powerhouse in advanced battery manufacturing, producing millions of high-performance lithium cells used in electric vehicles, grid storage, and renewable energy systems worldwide. EVE's LFP cells are known for exceptional reliability, long cycle life, and industry-leading safety. Their proven chemistry and precision manufacturing have made them a dominant force in the global energy storage market.
Take control.